You know, when you get the Asian market right, it's a thing of beauty. When you get it wrong, well, it can be disastrous. P&L recap coming up. Let's go. So, the Asian market has been a roller coaster of emotions for me. The highs, the lows. I got to where I was really good at the opening trade of the Asian market. I still am good at that trade. I just don't take it as much because it's hard for me to be here at 5 o'clock, like right when the market opens. So I've been more patient and more selective in my trades. But last night, I find myself falling back into a very bad old habit I have of chasing. Chasing a move in the Asian markets is not good, my friends. Riding that wave of momentum in the Asian market normally will snap right back in your face, like it did mine. So, uh, first trade, second trade, third trade, fourth trade. Fourth trade, I am up over $700 on the night across all four of my accounts. So, what is that? $2,800. My math is terrible. 2,800 bucks or so for the night. And then I step in this big giant mud hole right here because I am chasing it, thinking we are coming down here. On Bookmap, you could see there was liquidity down in the mid 60 area. So I hop in for one more scalp. We start to go down there, and immediately right back in my face. It pushes back up, and I ended up taking about a $400 loss. Um, Even though, as it was coming back down, I was convinced we were still coming down to this mid 60 area. There is a reason why I did not hang on to this to see it through, and that reason is GOLD, my friends. Gold. Gold is a knight in golden armor for me last night, and I will show you what I mean by that. So I am sitting here watching the gold chart. Sitting here watching the gold chart all evening. I didn't take a trade. I am waiting, waiting, waiting. And I finally hop in with not one, not five, but 10 contracts to the short side. And there you go. There you go. That is like a 239, 237, 237.3. That's what, a point and a half. And this was a $1,500 trade. So I ended up my night, as you can see right here, up $1,800. Up $1,800. That is a $7,392 night. I didn't place another trade. Didn't place another trade. I haven't traded the New York session in 2 days now. Not once this week have I placed a trade during market hours in the New York session. There's not a need to. If I can get to $1,000 or more in a night, I don't need to trade anymore at all. And that is the reason why I went ahead and let that NASDAQ trade go for a $400 loss, even though I was pretty confident it was going to come back into the profit and go back to the lows. Uh, I didn't. I didn't need it. I didn't need to. And I could have. I actually thought. Where is that? I actually thought about holding this longer, but as I got the first five off, right? Um, as I got the first five off, I set the other five to break even and then trailed it down, and it finally come back and got me out. Had this move continued to happen, might have just trailed it all the way down. Who knows? But It is what it is. I wadded up my $1,800 and uh, I went on my way. That, my friends, is an awesome night for me. Um, and really keeping me out of all of this volatility during the New York session is awesome. I couldn't be more happy with that. Um, Kind of sucks because I enjoy trading, but um, yeah, if you were able to do it in a span of 3 hours in a night and make $7,000, alrighty. And that's all I got. So that makes day number 9. Tomorrow is a holiday. Um, Thursday will be my next trade day. It would be awesome if I am able to hop on there tonight and crack off another decent evening, another decent day, and then not even have to trade Wednesday and Thursday because they are combined days. And then that will be my tenth day. So there it is. I couldn't be happier with what I've able to accomplish in the last 9 days. Just got to keep the pedal down, keep going, and not do stupid stuff. And that's it. As always, I appreciate y'all tuning in, and I will catch you next time. Take care.